G'day folks, this is just going to be a quick little video kind of going over some new products that GoPro just released, some new gear I should say. Actually, it's only one new thing and then they've updated a couple of their existing products. Usually in the summertime we see some kind of gear from GoPro. Last year we got the Grande and the extension for the Karma Grip. And this year for our new product we got the GoPro Lanyard. And as you can see, it comes in a few different colors. It comes in black, white, and blue. And nothing too exciting really on my end. It's not something I don't think I would ever really use. But I guess for people who use their GoPro more like a point and shoot camera, they just want to take it for the day, it definitely would come in handy for that. So now for the next two products, they've updated the GoPro Seeker backpack. They're basically not a lot of changes, nothing major. What they've done is they've increased the size, the storage capacity from 16 liters to 18 liters. And they now say it's compatible and can hold a 15-inch laptop. So that's kind of interesting. I know a lot of people who did own the Seeker, that was one of their complaints. It wouldn't hold a MacBook, the 15-inch MacBook, and now it can. So that's a good thing. That's a plus. The other interesting thing to note is that they've dropped the price. The Seeker used to come in at $169, and the new Seeker, the updated version, is coming in at $149 now. Now, the other interesting thing is they've lowered the price of the original GoPro Seeker. It's not available on their website, but you can still purchase it on Amazon, and they've dropped the price down to $99. So that definitely might be of interest to some people if you've been thinking about getting a Seeker backpack but didn't want to pay the $169 price tag. $99 is a little bit more budget friendly. And lastly, they've updated the Chesty mount. As you can see here in the photo, I'll put a side-by-side up. They've redesigned the mounting area a little bit. Other than that, I really don't know what more has changed on it. I know a lot of people did complain with the Chesty that when you had a gimbal mounted on your chest, the weight of the gimbal would cause it to flop back and forth. So you can see it has a bigger kind of plate area. So maybe it helps with that, keeping a gimbal, the weight of a gimbal, a little more stable there on your chest. So yeah, that is the new GoPro gear we got last week. Nothing too terribly exciting for me anyways. Some of you may be interested in the stuff. But I'm hoping this fall we'll see some cool new things. Hopefully a new Hero 7. I've ordered the silicone sleeve in just to kind of take a closer look at it and maybe do a bit of a review on it. I don't know if I'll be re-reviewing the updated Seeker backpack. Not really a lot of changes that would justify spending the money to review it. But who knows, we shall see. Anyways, folks, that's it. Quick little video, some new gear from GoPro. New gear is always good. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.